Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another day in my life type video. This was a day I was feeling pretty good. Me and Bradley ran some errands and then we came home to plant up some pots and then I did some cleaning. So I threw in some time lapses for you. But yeah, I just thought I would film the day since I was feeling good and share it. This video is kindly sponsored by Skillshare, which you guys know I am a huge fan of Skillshare. If you don't know what it is, it's an online learning community that has just an amazing amount of content for you to take classes and learn on pretty much any field you're interested in. It could be something pertaining to your line of work or something just to be fun and creative. They have cooking, interior design, gardening, which is what I really use it for. Lots of DIY crafts, minimalism stuff, productivity stuff, just all the things. Art classes, just anything you might want to be diving into. Skillshare has a class on it that will go in depth at your own pace and it's really super fun. So for me right now, and as you'll see in this video, I am starting to think about my outside garden, which I've only had a balcony garden up till now, so I am trying to learn. I'm sure it's a whole different ballgame of like planting in the ground, and I'm trying to figure out if I want a raised bed. I do want some cute brick borders around my garden, so I'm just trying to do as much research as I can, and Skillshare has been very helpful in just classes where I can learn. I've been watching a video on raised garden beds, how to actually like build them, which is amazing. And like I said, I'm just trying to learn as much as I can, and Skillshare has been very helpful in that. And something that I really love about Skillshare, and I say this all the time, but the way they break down their classes into chapters makes it really easy for me to go at my own pace. I don't have to watch the whole class or stop in the middle and wonder where I was. Skillshare remembers where I was, or if I want to even revisit a chapter, I love the breakdowns, and it just makes it really easy to go at your own pace. If you have any interest in trying Skillshare, they are offering the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in my description and get a free trial of the premium membership, which is amazing. You can try it out, see if you like it, and if you do decide to stay on, it's less than $10 a month. It's amazing. And it's been a really nice tool in these uncertain times of just being stuck at home to get into some new things, some creative things, and just learn. So I hope you guys check it out. Thank you again to Skillshare for sponsoring this video, and let's go ahead and get into my productive day. Well, I thought we'd start with this video with a bump date. There he is. I feel like he's huge on some days and then some days he's not as big. Is that normal? I'm sure it is. But anyway, we're in the backyard today, and as you can see, Ludo is very excited. He's so sweet. He's so cute. But we went to Lowe's this day to do an order pickup, and while I was there, I wanted to pick up some herbs because the only herb I have, oh my gosh, in my garden right now that made the move with us is parsley. So I want to have literally everything. So I picked up some lavender just because it's beautiful and I would love to have that in my garden. Some rosemary, we love using rosemary, dried or fresh. Some thyme, which is something we use a lot more often now, so I definitely wanted to pick that up. And some basil. I also thought I bought mint, but it turned out to be lemon balm, and I don't really want that, so I was going to return it. But yeah, I just pretty much sat on the ground here. Bradley helped me with the really heavy soil bag. And I just potted up all my herbs. I want to get a potting bench eventually so I can stand and have a more organized space to do this. But yeah, I'm literally gardening in my slippers. I can link those down below. I'm obsessed with them. I got them for Christmas. They're from UGG and I just love them. So yeah, I'm using a combination of some newer pots, some old pots, some pots that were left behind by the previous owners, and I'm just potting everything up with Ludo's help and Bradley's. also filmed a home haul. It's either coming up or already up. If it is, I'll link it up in the corner. But I got this amazing little yellow pot from Anthropology, and at a local nursery, I got this amazing cactus, and I just am obsessed with the way it looks together. So I finally potted that up. I waited a few days to water it because I have learned my lesson. I've killed cactuses that way by watering too soon. They need to like adjust to the new soil, even though it was the same soil, but whatever. I waited, but it's still doing okay. And then I potted up the rosemary. Here's a look at everything after I planted them all in their pots. So the one cactus will obviously go inside, but the rest will go. I have a whole plan for my little side yard to be an herb garden. So they will go over there. And then I was actually feeling good enough that I swept. My husband came home and he was like, "You swept?" And I was like, "I did." So yeah, I just got all the dirt, put it in my little dustpan, and then added it back to the garden. But yeah, just had to clean up. Which, speaking of picking up, I wanted to clean up this island. I had some PR, which let's take a moment to talk about this amazing Besame Cosmetics and Disney collab with the Mary Poppins collection. It is so freaking cute. Everything down to the packaging to the products. I haven't tried any of it yet, but I will, and I will get back to you. But I've loved Besame in the past, so they have this practically perfect powder, which is so cute, and the packaging. And it took me a few times opening it. I finally noticed the mirror. That is so freaking cute. It has a cream rouge. It has a lipstick. I think this is called Mary Poppins Red. So pretty. And then it has the Mrs. Banks set, which the packaging was just incredible. Those little votes for women made me die, but I love it. And this little set comes with a nail polish and then a kind of peachy colored lipstick. So freaking cute. And they also sent the super cute bag and then some like fun artsy postcards, which I actually really like. I specifically really liked this one of like Bert and Mary in the water. And then also Tula sent over a lot of products, which thank you so much to Tula. So excited about all these. I'm already using them and loving them. So then I just got cracking on just picking up. There was just so much crap. A lot of trips to Home Goods lately just to get house stuff. And then of course I find Easter decor, which I am going to be doing an Easter decor video coming up very soon. So I'm just unpacking all the bags, and I thought you guys would enjoy a time lapse, so here you go. I showed this in that home haul, but this is a really cute little like vase thing. I don't know, I was obsessed with it. I want to try propagating it or just have some little flower cuttings. And then I also wanted to show you this print I got off of Etsy. I follow this girl on Instagram and she makes the cutest like art prints of normally Disney food, but she did the Alice in Wonderland flowers and I was obsessed. This was only $10. It's amazing. It's definitely going in my office. I need a frame, so I will link that down below. I am absolutely obsessed with it. Just some more Easter decor. But yeah, like I said, just picking up everything, recycling the bags. Oh, some cute baby clothes we bought for our son. I got some yoga blocks at TJ Maxx, which I was really excited about. And yeah. Oh, my mom sent me a Valentine's Day card with this dog on it, and it's super cute. Then, due to pregnancy, it was time for a turkey corn dog, so I slapped that in the oven. I've been obsessed with the Trader Joe's turkey corn dogs. I did a Trader Joe's like pregnancy craving haul. I can link that up in the corner, and I mentioned that I've been loving those, and they're perfect for at night because I try not to eat too much because if I feel too full, I feel gross. This is a little a peperomia plant, I think, and I got this really cute little vase. You'll see in my next weekly vlog. I painted that vase. I had an idea for this whole thing, and then I eventually planted it up, but I love this plant, so hopefully I can keep it alive. And then I got some seeds. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm going to be starting my outside garden soon, and I bought some really random seeds. These purple bell peppers, which I didn't know a thing, these watermelon radishes, which are so cute, very gimmicky, but they got me. I bought it. And then I got some pumpkin seeds, because I would really like to grow maybe just one good-sized pumpkin this year. We'll see. But yeah, I picked up those seeds at a local nursery at the same place I got the plant. I also got in some crystals from a crystal live haul I watched. This is a pastel fluorite tower. I'm obsessed with it. It is so pretty. Look at that purple. My gosh. I don't know where I'm going to put it. This is an orange calcite tower. I'll probably put this in the baby's room. I really like orange calcite. It's just so pretty. It just looks like you could eat it, but it's also good for creativity. This crap, I don't remember what it's called, but it was pretty. I liked the purple chunks. And then this is a, what's it called? Rose quartz. But I liked how like deep the pink color was. So I picked those up, so I was just unwrapping them, putting them in a pile to go upstairs. So when we moved, we couldn't find our Thieves Concentrate bottle, and it was like a problem because this is the only cleaner we use now. So I ordered 2, and it came on this day, and I was so excited. So I made 2 fresh bottles of Thieves. This is basically just through Young Living, the essential oil brand I use. You use a capful of this cleaner. I like to add essential oils, so I add 10 drops each of citrus fresh and pine, and then you fill the rest up with water, and it's good to clean every single surface in your house, and it's all non-toxic, which makes me feel really good. Just like with the dog, I don't know if he licks things after I clean her with the baby coming, just having a non-toxic situation. On the back of the bottle it says, if swallowed, just dilute with a lot of water. So no poison control. That is awesome. Wanted to give you a shot of my cute pot that my friend Brittany gave me as a housewarming present. I'm obsessed with it. I think I'm going to put her in my office. And then just this little TJ Maxx planter I got that has a struggling watermelon peperomia in it, but I'm working on it. And then yeah, things are looking so much cleaner. Look how much better that looks. We're still like struggling with like finding homes for everything in the kitchen, so it's still kind of a mess. But I cannot wait to have like a clean, clear kitchen island. Oh, my corn dog was ready all the time. So now that it was clean, I just kind of used my Thieves to clean it all off, get off any crap that was on there. But yeah, that was pretty much it for this day, which seems like, okay, that's not that much. But this was right when I was coming out of feeling crappy, so it was a very productive day for me to be on my feet all day. I paused there because I thought I felt the baby, and I'm still not sure if I felt him. But yeah, it was a great day. I felt really productive and happy with the plants and the cleaning. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Thank you again to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Again, the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in my description will get a free trial of the premium membership, so you can try it out and see what's up for yourself. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you back very soon with some more vlog, like talk to the camera style vlogs. I have some routine videos coming up, some hauls. So I'll see you guys very soon. More stuff of putting the house together and cleaning if you liked this kind of stuff. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.